Everybody. It's Thursday, the 16th of January already, and it's snowing out. I got up for a little while to get a bite to eat and try to get some strength, as I had a fever all night. I was really cold, and then of course you're shaking, and a little while later you get really hot. Andrew started building a little hothouse as a project last week, and it looks pretty good. Some reason he wanted to do it now. The snow's getting harder. We were only supposed to have high winds today. I don't know what changed, but I looked out the window and it was snowing pretty hard. I know I haven't talked to you in a while, but I really haven't been feeling good, and I apologize. I haven't been around. I think I caught a germ at the store the other day. I went out Friday to pick up some groceries and stuff. And of course, you touch the germy carts. And I do have antibacterial gel in my purse, but I forgot to use it. I don't think it works that great anyway. I think it's luck of the draw. I want to say thank you, everybody, for your friendship and your continued boosting up of other friends' channels. A lot of people have been getting up to 1K with each other's help, and I appreciate that you all love each other, help each other, build each other up, keep each other in your prayers. I know people need prayers. I'll have to make another video on that. Right now, I just wanted to show you this snow and say hello, touch base. I love you all, and I miss you. Hugs, and God bless you. Bye.